Open DL code. Connect to your matrix scanner. Click Find Devices. And notice the serial number matches the matrix in the EVO. Double click. You can see the name, model, all the information. Go to Task, Open Device Configuration. You want GEX DC 2022 configuration set as startup configuration. Click Pause here. Okay, get multiple dose stick samples, maybe three or four samples, and we're going to test the barcode and DL code. So place it in the folder, click play. You should see a code 128, and that's a good scan. Go ahead and switch out, put a different sample in. And again, it's a good read. And do this for all the samples. 3 or 4 samples is fine. And click pause. You can do a screenshot. You can view the result. You can show the data, DB 1178708B matches the barcode scan. Okay, now open DoseControl. Go to your readers. Find your evolution. Requires barcode scanner. The scanner serial number will match the matrix, and the scanner COM port will automatically show up. Save changes.